Enjoy the view of this 2020 Honda HR-V. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Presenting the Honda HR-V, the small SUV that thinks big and bold when it comes to safety, convenience, handling, cargo, fuel efficiency, and infotainment technology. We think you'll agree it's an engineering marvel. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, rear spoiler, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer. Don't miss the chance to drive a work of inspired ingenuity. This Honda HR-V is waiting to take you out for a spin.